Former Governor Andrew Cuomo on Tuesday released his sprawling plan to fix the Big Apple's mental health crisis, ticking off many of the ideas rival Mayor Eric Adams has already been pushing for. Cuomo, who is vying to unseat Adams as New York City's mayor, unveiled more than a dozen proposals to help get people with severe mental illness off the streets, including expanding involuntary hospitalizations and boosting psychiatric beds. But many of the key elements bear striking similarities to ones already rattled off by Hizzoner during his current stint in City Hall. Imitation is the sincerest form of flattery, an Adams administration source told The Post after Cuomo's plan dropped, especially when it comes to cleaning up situations created by the imitator. Adams, for his part, has long called for the state law to be strengthened so the city can commit people suffering from severe mental illness for longer. Cuomo has also called for adding between 100 to 200 new inpatient psychiatric beds within the city's health and hospital system in a bid to keep mentally ill perps out of Rikers. The former governor, too, floated boosting supportive housing units from 500 to 1,600 per year, up from the 900 safe haven beds promised by Adams to house the homeless and transition them to permanent housing. Cuomo also highlighted how the city needs to tap into involuntarily removing homeless people from the streets who can't meet their basic needs, a policy expansion that was put in place nearly 3 years ago under the Adams admin following a spate of horrifying subway attacks. Andrew Cuomo releasing a plan to fix our mental health crisis is like an arsonist saying he'll put out a fire, Lander said. Everyone knows that when Andrew Cuomo was governor, he deliberately gutted our mental health services, slashing thousands of beds, which helped cause the dire situation on our streets and subways that afflicts New York to this day. Andrew Cuomo is once again pretending to be a firefighter rushing to a fire he started. The public safety and homelessness crisis we're dealing with today is a direct result of his failed leadership as governor, the Guardian Angels founder sniped. While I ride the subways and face it head-on, he ran off to the Hamptons, and now he wants to be mayor and thinks New Yorkers are stupid enough to forget. Adams's campaign, meanwhile, defended his record and stopped short of directly attacking Cuomo's plan.